Now in our structure analysis 1, today we are going to see our remaining example of slope and deflection. So before we going to see our next example, in a previous video we saw that different type of equation for cantilever and simply supported beam of slope and deflection. So first is cantilever with a point load at a free end. Cantilever with point load at a free end. At that time theta is equal to WL square upon 2 EI. YB equal to WL cube upon 3I. Then second is cantilever with uniformly distributed load W throughout the span. So for that theta is equal to WL cube upon 6 EI and YB equal to WL raised to 4 upon 8 EI. Third is cantilever with point load not at the free end. So at that theta C equal to WL1 square upon 2 EI, YC equal to WL1 cube upon 3 EI. Then cantilever partially loaded with UDL over a length L1 from the fixed end. At that time theta C WL1 cube upon 6 EI and YC equal to WL1 raised to 4 upon 8 EI. Fifth is cantilever partially loaded with UDL from free end. So equation is theta B equal to WL cube upon 6 EI minus WL1 cube upon 6 EI. YB equal to WL raised to 4 upon 8 EI minus WL1 raised to 4 upon 8 EI plus L minus L1 WL1 cube upon 6 EI. Cantilever with uniformly varying load with maximum intensity W at a fixed end. So equation for slope and deflection is theta B is equal to WL cube upon 24 EI and YB equal to WL raised to 4 upon 30 EI. Then cantilever with moment at a free end. So theta B equal to ML upon EI and YB equal to ML square upon 2 EI. So ये था इक्वेशन. डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कैंटिलीवर बीम हैव डिफरेंट लोड एक्टिंग ऑन इट एंड इट्स इक्वेशन ऑफ स्लोप एंड डिफ्लेक्शन. So next example is determine slope and deflection at a free end of a cantilever as shown in figure. Take E equal to 200 gigapascal and I equal to 150 10 raised to 6 mm raised to 4. अब हमें क्या करना है, एक एग्जांपल दिया गया है कैंटिलीवर बीम. सो इट इज वन एंड फिक्स एंड अनदर इज फ्री. वन एंड फिक्स एंड अनदर इज फ्री. सो लोड एक्टिंग ऑन इट, लोड एक्ट हो रहा है उसके ऊपर. पॉइंट सी पे 30 किलो न्यूटन का लोड एंड पॉइंट बी के ऊपर 20 किलो न्यूटन का लोड एक्ट हो रहा है. डिस्टेंस ए सी इज 1 मीटर एंड ए बी इक्वल टू 2 मीटर and distance CB is equal to also 1 meter. Here we have E equal to 200 gigapascal. So gigapascal converted into Newton per mm square. So E equal to 200 multiplied by 10 cube Newton per mm square. I is equal to 150 10 raised to 6 mm raised to 4. I is equal to 150 10 raised to 6 mm raised to 4. So we have equation for that. Theta B is equal to W1 L square upon 2 EI plus W2 L1 square upon 2 EI. So now put all the value in this equation. So we have W1 is 20 kilonewton and W2 is equal to 30 kilonewton. So 20 10 cube multiply by L is equal to 1 plus 1, it is 2 meter, so 2000 square divided by EI. E is equal to 200 gigapascal, so gigapascal converted into Newton mm square, so it is 200 multiplied by 10 cube Newton per mm square, so 2 into 200 into 10 cube multiplied by I is equal to 150 into 10 raised to 6 mm raised to 4 plus W2 is equal to 30 10 cube multiplied by 1000 square divided by 2 into 200 multiplied by 10 cube multiplied by 150 multiplied by 10 raised to 6. So simplified it, so we get the value of theta b is equal to 1.33 10 raised to minus 3 plus 5 into 10 raised to minus 4. So finally theta b is equal to 1.83 into 10 raised to minus 3 रेडियन. सो थीटा बी की वैल्यू हमें मिल गई. अब हम वाई बी फाइंड करेंगे. सो वाई बी इक्वल टू W1 L क्यूब अपन 3EI प्लस इन ब्रैकेट W2 L1 क्यूब अपन 3EI प्लस इन ब्रैकेट L माइनस L1 W2 L1 स्क्वायर अपन 2EI. So in this equation we have YB is equal to YC plus L minus L1 into theta C. Put all the value in equation. So YB is become 20 into 10 cube multiplied by 2000 cube divided by 3 into 200 into 10 cube multiplied by 150 into 10 raised to 6 plus in bracket 30 10 cube multiplied by 1000 cube divided by 3 into 200 10 raised to 3 into 150 into 10 raised to 6 plus 200 minus 1000 2000 minus 1000 multiplied by 5 into 10 raised to minus 4. So it is equal to 1.78 plus 0.33 plus 0.5. So it is equal to 2.61 mm. Now अब अल्टरनेटिव मेथड हम लिखेंगे बाय बेसिक प्रिंसिपल मैकॉलिस मेथड. तो मैकॉलिस मेथड में क्या आएगा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें क्या कंसीडर करना है, जो सेक्शन एक्स एक्स है वो बी से एक्स डिस्टेंस पे रहेगा. सो एम एक्स इज बिकम कितना लोड लग रहा है 20 इंटू एक्स. कोई सेक्शन हमें एक बीम पे सेक्शन कंसीडर करना है एक्स डिस्टेंस पे, ठीक है. सो फ्रॉम बी so mx is become minus 20 x minus अब कितना दूसरा लोड 30 इन ब्रैकेट x minus 1. बट बाय मैकॉलिस मेथड mx is equal to ei into d square y by dx square is equal to minus mx. So we have well equation for mx is equal to minus 20x minus 30 in bracket x minus 1. So 20x plus 30 in bracket x minus 1. So इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे. So it is ei into dy by dx. So integration of x is equal to x square by 2 and constant c1 plus 30 x minus 1 is become x minus 1 whole square divided by 2. Now हम कंडीशन अप्लाई करेंगे when x equal to 2 dy by dx is equal to 0. So put the value dy by dx is equal to 0. So whole equation ei into dy by dx is become 0. So 0 is equal to x is equal to 2 to 20 into 2 square by 2 plus c1 plus 30 2 minus 1 square divided by 2. So c1 is become minus 55. So ei into dy by dx is equal to 10x square minus 55 plus 15 x minus 1 square. ठीक है. So it is slope. Now integrate again. So dy by dx become ei into y. So 10x cube x square का हम करेंगे, सो x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, so it is x cube by 3 minus 55 constant, so it is x plus c2 x minus 1 square, so it is become 15 x minus 1 cube by 3. Now again put x equal to 2, so y is become 0, so ei into y is also become 0, so 0 is equal to 10 into x is equal to 2 cube by 3 minus 55 into 2 plus c2 plus 15 into bracket 2 minus 1 cube by 3. So C2 is equal is become 78.33. So EI into Y is equal to 10x cube by 3 minus 55x plus 78.33 plus 5 into bracket x minus 1 cube. So it is deflection. So for a slope at B, put x equal to 0 in equation 1. So EI into dy by dx equal to minus 55. Neglecting terms becoming negative, so dy by dx equal to minus 55 upon EI in kilonewton into meter square. So minus 55 into 10 raised to 9 Newton per mm square divided by 200 10 cube multiplied by 150 10 raised to 6. So dy by dx is equal to minus 1.83 into 10 raised to minus 3 radian. So it is a Macaulay's method for find out slope and deflection. For deflection at point B, put x equal to 0 in equation 2. So EI into y is equal to 78.53. So y is equal to 78.53 upon EI kilonewton into meter cube. So 78.53 into 10 raised to 12 Newton into mm cube divided by 200 into 10 cube into 150 into 10 raised to 6. So y is it become 2.617 mm. So ऐसे हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं स्लोप एंड डिफ्लेक्शन बाय यूजिंग मैकॉलिस मेथड. सेम सेकंड एग्जांपल है, ठीक है, उसको भी हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. तो फर्स्ट मेथड इज स्लोप एंड डिफ्लेक्शन मेथड एंड सेकंड इज मैकॉलिस मेथड. स्लोप एंड डिफ्लेक्शन मेथड में हमें क्या करना है, केवल डिफ्लेक्शन कैसा आएगा, स्लोप एंड डिफ्लेक्शन कैसा आएगा, वो इक्वेशन से हमें मिल जाएगा. सो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज अ कैंटिलीवर 2 meter long loaded as shown in figure is given. The section is rectangular 120 mm wide and 240 mm deep. Cantilever rectangular section है, E is also given, is equal to 10,000 Newton per mm square. So we have find out I. So standard moment of inertia. So standard rectangular section. So it is standard formula for I. It is equal to BD cube by 12. Put all the value 120 into 250 cube divided by 12. So it is 138.24 into 10 raised to 6 mm raised to 4. Now हमें डिफ्लेक्शन फाइंड करना है. डिफ्लेक्शन एट B ड्यू टू पॉइंट लोड. सो YB1 इक्वल टू WL क्यूब अपन 3I. सो वी हैव W इज इक्वल टू 1000 इंटू 2000 क्यूब डिवाइडेड बाई 3 इंटू 10,000 इंटू 138.24 into 10 raised to 6. So it is 1.93 mm. Now deflection at B due to UDL. So YB2 is equal to WL1 raised to 4 upon 8EI plus L minus L1 WL1 cube upon 6EI. Put all the value. So W we have 2.5 into 1250 raised to 4 upon 8 into 10,000 into 138.24 into 10 raised to 6 plus 2000 minus 1250 into 2.5 into 1250 cube divided by 6 into 10,000 into 138.24 into 10 raised to 6. So it is YB2 is equal to 0.55 plus 0.44. So it is equal to 0.99 mm. So YB is equal to YB1 plus YB2. summation होगा, so it is 2.922 mm. So in this way we can find for deflection of cantilever